morning, dear students. I wish you a very happy Children's Day. May this day be filled with laughter, joy, and happiness. Dear students, work hard in order to succeed in your life and brighten your future. I wish you all the best.
Good morning, my dear students of class 12B. On this beautiful occasion of Children's Day, I would like to take a moment to tell you how truly proud I am to be your class teacher. Each one of you is unique and special in your own way, and together you make class 12B not just a class but a family filled with energy, laughter, and warmth. You are a blend of intelligence, creativity, humor, and kindness. Some of you lead with confidence, some with quiet strength. Some light up the room with smiles, others inspire with sincerity and hard work. Whether it is academics, co-curriculars, or the way you support one another, you always make me proud. I have seen you grow into responsible, thoughtful young adults, ready to face the world with courage and grace. You have turned every challenge into a lesson and every success into a celebration. Remember, my dear students, you are the heart of my classroom and the reason it feels alive every day. Keep believing in yourselves, keep shining bright, and never lose that spark that makes each of you unique. Happy Children's Day.
You all have truly been a bright, energetic, and inspiring group of young minds. I still remember our days together of class 11th, how each of you slowly opened up, shared laughter, and supported one another and turned the classroom into a place filled with warmth and learning. Now, as you stand at the threshold of new beginning, I want to tell you how proud I am. You have been grown not just academically, but as a responsible, kind, and determined individuals. My heartfelt best wishes to each one of you. May you shine in your board examinations, achieve your dreams, carry forward the values you have learned here. Keep smiling, keep learning, and make us proud always.
Hello, dear children. On this beautiful occasion of Children's Day, I want to tell how truly special you are to me. You are the heart and soul of this school. Each day with you is a new memory and a new story to cherish. I learned a lot from you. Your innocence teaches me kindness. Your curiosity reminds me to keep exploring. I learned a lot from you. Your innocence teaches me kindness. Your curiosity reminds me to keep exploring. When I am tired, you bring energy. When I am sad, you bring smile to my face. When I am pissed off, your softness melts my heart. The memories we have made together, from your jokes to your questions.
Hello my dear students, very happy Children's Day to all of you. Class 11th is a special stage where you begin to shape your identity and future. So stay curious, keep learning and believe in yourself. Never lose your innocence, kindness and spark that makes you unique. May you continue to grow with confidence and wisdom. Once again, I wish you happy Children's Day.
Hello my dear little champs of class 1 and my other lovely students as well. First of all, I want to wish everyone a very happy Children's Day. Every day I see you learning some new things, sharing your smiles and spreading happiness around you. Sometimes you cry in the class, sometimes you laugh in the class, and sometimes you complain. But every moment with you make our school bright, happy and full of joy. As today is your special day, my dear children, I just want to wish you stay healthy, curious, happy and full of beautiful smiles. Once again, I want to wish everyone a very happy Children's Day, my dear students.
Dear students, today is a special day to celebrate your innocence, your creativity and your joy. So you are the heart and soul of our world. Always keep learning, dreaming and believing in yourself. So each one of you is unique and full of wonderful talents. So keep your hearts kind and your mind open and your spirits high. Have a joyful and fun-filled Children's Day. Thank you.
Children are the future of the country. They are the identity of the country. Children's Day reminds us of the importance of children. Children are like flowers. They spread happiness wherever they bloom. Let's bring a smile to children's faces on this Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
To all the students, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Always work hard to achieve your goals and nothing will be impossible for you in life. Once again, happy Children's Day.
खुशियों से भरा हर पल होता है, जिंदगी में सुनहरा हर पल होता है, कामयाबी मिलती है उन्हीं को जिनके सिर पर ईश्वर का हाथ होता है। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे। दुनिया को खुशियों से भरने वाले नन्हे दिलों को हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे। ईश्वर करे आपके जीवन में यूं ही खुशियां बनी रहें। उन प्यारे नन्हे बच्चों को हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे, जिनकी वजह से हमारे चेहरे पर हंसी आती है, जो हमारे दिलों में खुशियां पहुंचाते हैं। Happy Children's Day, my lovely students.
Happy Children's Day to all my wonderful students. Keep sunshine bright, be kind, and never stop exploring your dreams. Once again, Happy Children's Day to all.
Happy Children's Day, everyone. Today we celebrate the joy, curiosity, and creativity of childhood. You are the future leaders, innovators, and change makers. Remember to always be curious, learn from your mistakes, and believe in yourself. Keep dreaming big and working hard. Thank you. Once again, Happy Children's Day.
Wishing Children's Day. You are the sunshine that brightens our world. Keep smiling, playing, and learning. Your laughter and curiosity make every day special. Enjoy your day with fun and friends.
My dear class second students, first of all, I wish you a happy Children's Day to all. Every day you come to school with bright smiles, curious mind, and ready to learn something new. You make our classroom lively, happy, and full of energy. On this special day, I wish you keep smiling, keep learning, and keep spreading joy. Once again, a happy Children's Day to all. Thank you.
Hello dear children, you are full of energy, curiosity and bright smiles. Every day with you is an exciting adventure filled with learning and laughter. Truly, you make the teaching a wonderful experience. When I see you all, I see the world full of dreams, imagination and endless possibilities. You are not just the children, you are tiny dreamers who make the world more colorful. The future already looks brighter because of you. Happy Children's Day to the wonderful stars. Thank you.
Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you, and today firstly I would like to wish you all happy Children's Day, and I am very proud of that I am the class teacher of this class 8, and I would like to say that for class 8 and the students are very intelligent and very hardworking, and they are very supportive to me, and I would like to say that you all ahead in life and you achieve that all whatever you want to achieve in your life, and all the best.
Dear students, you study by listening carefully, asking questions, reading and practicing what you learn every day. You learn not just from books but also from playing, sharing and helping each other. Everyone make mistakes, but when you make mistake, don't give up. Think about what it taught you and how can you better next time. Children's Day is a special day to celebrate the joy, love and laughter you bring to the world. Thank you.
Dear students, you are the joy of our school and the hope of our future. Your laughter fills our hearts and your dreams give meaning to our work. Each one of you is special, talented and full of potential. Always believe in yourself, work hard and keep spreading happiness wherever you go, and your teachers are proud of you and wish you life full of joy, success and bright opportunities. Happy Children's Day.
Hello students. Today as we celebrate the Children's Day, my heart is full of happiness and gratitude because I get to be your class teacher and see all of you grow, learn and shine in your own special ways. You are at such a beautiful stage of life. Not little children anymore, yet not quite adults, standing right at the bridge between innocence and maturity. And watching you navigate this stage with curiosity, laughter, and courage truly inspires me. Each one of you adds something special to our class family. Some of you bring enthusiasm and bright ideas that make every lesson lively. Some of you have quiet strength, working hard without seeking attention, but always giving your best. Some are fun-loving and cheerful, spreading smiles wherever you go. And some of you have kind and thoughtful hearts, always ready to help a friend or make someone feel better. Together you make class a place filled with energy, creativity and warmth. What I admire most about you is your spirit of sharing and caring. Dear students, as your teacher, I want you to know that you are capable of wonderful things. You have the power to shape your future with discipline, hard work and kindness. Never doubt your potential and never compare yourself with others. You are all unique, each with your own gifts and dreams. On this Children's Day, I wish you always keep the spark of curiosity alive, keep believing in yourself and keep smiling, because your smile can light up any day. Remember, you will always be my students, but also in many ways my teachers, for you teach me patience, hope and joy every single day. Happy Children's Day, dear students.
Dear children, in such a short time, you all have mingled with me as a family. You give me much affection and respect. I want to say to all of you to be attentive in library, read more books, increase your knowledge and shape your personality. Become a good human being, make your parents, teachers and school proud. Study hard, be happy and healthy. My best wishes are with all of you. Happy Children's Day.
Good morning everyone. Happy Children's Day to all my dear students. Children's Day reminds us that we should always be happy, active and full of energy, just like in sports. Sports teach us teamwork, discipline and never giving up. When we play games, we stay healthy, strong and confident. So on this Children's Day, let's promise to play every day, stay fit and always do your best in the playground and life. Thank you and happy Children's Day.
Dear students, a very happy Children's Day to all of you. Every child is a different kinds of flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Remember dear students, you are the stars of today and the leader of tomorrow. Once again, wish you a happy Children's Day to all my shining stars.